Hello and welcome. Got a product review today. So, my local Dollar Tree has recently gone to what they call Dollar Tree Plus. Essentially, if you don't know what that is it's basically they have all the regular, $1.25 stuff, but they also have a couple sections of stuff that's like $3 and $5. Anyway, a lot of that stuff is craft stuff. And so they have this resin kit for $5, and comes with 6 ounces total of resin, 3 ounces part A, 3 ounces part B. And I have plenty of resin already, but I really wanted to give this a shot and see what kind of results I get out of it, because it's from the Dollar Tree, and I don't have high expectations for it, but you never know, it could surprise me. So, and again, the brand of this stuff is it's called Crafts. The brand name is literally just Crafts. Real fucking original, right? Anyway, so I'm going to test it against my normal resin that I typically use these days, and that's the Platinum Clear from the epoxy resin store. I actually get that off of Amazon, and it's by far the cheapest resin per milliliter that I've been able to find on Amazon. And that's essentially why I first started buying it. But I get really good results with it. And so I've been using it for 7 or 8 months now. And it's not let me down once. So way better than Alumilite, stuff you get at Hobby Lobby. Anyway, so I'm going to be testing this on a couple different parameters. First one is going to be price per milliliter, which we'll get to in a moment. Second one is going to be clarity of the finished product. I'm just going to do a couple clear coasters so we can see, is there going to be any cloudiness? Is there going to be any yellowiness? Which I already know the Platinum Clear is pretty good. It's pretty clear. There's really no yellowy color to it at all. I've always had good results with it. But this is from the Dollar Tree, so we'll see on that one. And also, I'm going to test, the hardness and durability of once it's cured. I don't anticipate, unless this just doesn't cure right, which, is another thing we want to see, unless this just doesn't cure right, I don't see there being much, if any, difference between like hardness and, that kind of thing. So first, we can get this right out of the way, is the price per milliliter. Now, the Platinum Clear that I use comes in 2 little half-gallon jugs, making a total of a gallon of resin. A gallon, for those of you who may not use the American system of measurement, is 3,785.5 milliliters. So in order to find out the price per milliliter, we're going to take the price that I paid for it, which happened to be $47, by the way, on Amazon. And we're going to divide that 47 by 3,785.5, which ends up being rounded to 1.24 cents per milliliter. And that's by far the cheapest resin I've been able to find per milliliter on Amazon. And it's really a good price too. So I mean, you can make a decent profit off of just about anything you make with it. This, on the other hand, 6 ounces is 177.4 milliliters. So at a cost of $5 for this 177.4 milliliters, that comes out to 2.8 cents per milliliter. So this is actually twice as expensive per milliliter as the Platinum Clear, which is not surprising at all to anyone who's ever bought resin or dealt with resin, shopped around for resin. Typically you'll find that for whatever reason, the smaller quantity bottles are just more expensive per milliliter. I don't know why. It's kind of silly, but it is what it is. So obviously this one beats this one for price per milliliter. Now, with that said, if you're just wanting to dabble in resin, you know, see what it's all about, and you don't want to pay $47, you know, for a gallon of resin that you might not end up using, then I guess, you know, I can see where something like this would come in. So anyway, yeah. So if you're just wanting to get started in resin, see what the fuss is all about, at this point, I actually can't recommend this because I haven't tried it yet. Price-wise, you know, whatever, it's only $5. But the smaller quantities, that's something you want to use if you're just getting started and wanting to see what you can do with resin. But if you're serious into it and you like to make a whole bunch of stuff, either way, I'm going to say go with this, because for $47 and a gallon of resin, it's a pretty good price, and it's really good resin. Anyway, enough of my yakking. Let's get to it. All right, so the results are in, and I gotta say I'm kind of impressed with the Dollar Tree resin. It's it seems to have less bubbles than the Platinum Clear. So by the way, the round one is the Dollar Tree resin, the square one is the Platinum Clear. Yeah, so it has less bubbles than the Platinum Clear, but the Platinum Clear is a little bit more clear. We went a little cloudy with the Dollar Tree resin here, but I'd say there's about 25% less bubbles in the Dollar Tree resin, which is pretty cool. I did notice when I was mixing it, it's a little thinner. The consistency is a little thinner than the Platinum Clear. Thinner resin, you're going to get less bubbles. As far as hardness, they're both pretty hard, so no problems there. Not very flexible, either one. This one was poured a little thicker than this one, but still yet, they're about the same hardness. Yellowing, now that's where the Dollar Tree resin really kind of shines over the Platinum Clear. As you can see, there's a bit of yellowing to the Platinum Clear, and the Dollar Tree resin is pretty good clarity as far as color. Again, a little cloudy, which maybe I had a little too much humidity in the room at the time when I poured this. I don't know. Could be a variety of things. But all in all, I do recommend, if you're just starting out with resin and you want to give it a try and see what you can maybe do with it, I would go ahead and buy the little $5 resin kit from Dollar Tree. They've got some other stuff too. They've got a few little molds and stuff. Not every Dollar Tree Plus has the same craft stuff, but they all seem to have some pretty decent things. I've got some wood panels from there, a couple silicone molds from there, and everything I've got is pretty decent, which is surprising, considering they have all kinds of like glitters and foil flakes and little fillers and stuff too that I've bought, which is pretty cool. They also have some mica powders. It kind of changes week by week what they have in their $3 and $5 craft section, but It's pretty cool. Their normal craft section's pretty cool too. They got a lot of stuff for $1.25. Canvases, wood panels, glitters, all kinds of little fillers and stuff you can use. I gotta say, Dollar Tree is one of my favorite places to get craft stuff these days, because they really kind of outshine definitely every other dollar store. Dollar General, Family Dollar, way better than Dollar Tree is way better than those two as far as crafting stuff goes. And you really can't beat the price, especially with the $1.25 stuff. So yeah, I mean, not only do I recommend trying out this $5 Dollar Tree resin, I strongly recommend checking out their whole craft section. And like I said, it varies from store to store, so you may maybe try a couple different locations, and you can find a lot of good stuff there. With that said, go ahead and close out the video. I did film the pouring process of these two, but I decided that's kind of silly. It's kind of boring to just show me pouring clear resin into some coaster molds, because I mean, there's really no trick to that. So I just went ahead and cut that. And so yeah, that's the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed.